Watch as I transform these fruits. Gotta keep you on your toes. Beautiful. These will all look slightly different. Cuts like butter. Okay, so you'll need some paint and you'll need this. So that'll turn any acrylic paint into fabric paint. It's just a 1-to-1 situation. Doesn't even change the color. And now my cutting board is a paint palette. I have an apron. It's a nice canvas one. And I have some kitchen towels. These are cotton. Score some little wedges. So here's what it should look like here. And now you can take your fabric paint and paint over your citrus and put that directly onto your tea towels. Here's how it looks with some oranges and some grapefruit. I wanted to show you some examples of different sized fruits, so that's why I went ahead and used those as well. I'm loving all of the different colors and I'm really enjoying overlapping some. I think it looks really nice. So here's how they're looking so far. I'm loving the lemon and lime tea towel. And now for my apron, I'm just taping the pockets. Now we can take this off and it protected my pocket. I actually think I'm gonna leave them plain. At first I thought I was going to do a different design on them, but I like it better plain, and look how great all of these turned out. I thought this craft was absolutely so much fun for summertime. Honestly, I really like the contrast of the lemons against the plain pockets. I'll stick this on. This is seriously so cute. And now for my matching towel. Each one really looks so unique because even if you use the same lemon, every time you do it, trust me, for some reason, they all come out different. These are adorable. And we match. I love it. Hey everyone, welcome to my bonus tips and tricks section where I review more in depth what I just did in the video. So I just want to give a couple pointers for this. Now, every time you do these lemons, they really do come out different, like I said. And sometimes they can come out a little bit splotchy, especially if you don't squeeze all the juice out. So try to squeeze all the juice out, or at least as much as you can, because that acid water just gets on and it wants to go everywhere. So get that off. And then if you have any clumps from just repeated use of the lemons and limes in your fruit, just retaining the paint, just come in with a quick brush. Helps so much. And all I did was just smooth down some of the paint that got applied rough. And then my favorite fruit to use was actually the lemons and the limes by far. I think unless you like the big pattern, I would just use those. They were just a lot easier to work with. And I think something fun you can do is just use different colors for the lemons and the limes. So you can still get the pink and the orange, but just do the smaller version. And again, that's just my opinion. It's not like they were impossible to work with. I just like the mini ones better. I feel like mini everything I always like better, but I really love how these came out. And you can find the links to everything I used in the description to this video. These are just cotton tea towels. And this I got from Michael's, but in case you're not near a Michael's, I am going to also link a canvas apron, which is what I used for this. And I think the canvas held really nice with this paint. It has some nice texture, but it wasn't also impossible to stamp on because it was too textured. So I do really like the canvas. Overall, I'm in love, and I think next I'm gonna do a tablecloth, maybe even a pair of jeans. I feel like that would look really cute for the summertime. Hope you all enjoyed this easy tutorial. If you haven't already, please click that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. And for all my subscribers watching, love you all. If you want to sign up for my free newsletter, you can find that at 𝐬𝐵RooklynB.com. And I also have a DIY membership club where I send you full instructions, the links, everything you need to do my tutorials, the written instructions once a week into your inbox. So if that sounds like something that you'd like to join, you can also find that at 𝐬𝐵RooklynB.com. Hope you all love this one as much as I do. This is one of my favorites. Enjoy.